Hey there, fellow watermelon enthusiasts. Have you ever bitten into a perfectly ripe watermelon only to wonder, why didn't I know this growing method sooner? Well, today I'm going to unveil the secret to growing succulent and sweet watermelons that will have your taste buds dancing with joy. So what's the secret? It's all about giving your watermelons the TLC they deserve from the moment you plant the seeds. Step 1. Start with high-quality seeds and nutrient-rich soil. Watermelons thrive in well-drained soil with plenty of organic matter. Step 2. Keep your watermelons hydrated. Water deeply but infrequently to encourage deep root growth. Step 3. Provide plenty of sunshine. Watermelons are sun-loving plants, so make sure they get at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Step 4. Thin out the fruits. This might seem counterintuitive, but removing some of the developing watermelons allows the plant to focus its energy on fewer fruits, resulting in larger, sweeter melons. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be growing succulent and sweet watermelons in no time. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy growing.